Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you the basics of using CINAHL, which is one of the many databases that Zahnow Library subscribes to. In this tutorial, you will learn about the resources you can find in CINAHL and how to conduct a search using the CINAHL database. You will also learn about specialized CINAHL features such as how to save a search, how to create a search, and how to create a folder. You will want to use CINAHL when you are searching for topics related to health or the healthcare field. CINAHL covers all of these topics on your screen, including health information management and social services in healthcare. CINAHL also contains many articles that you need a subscription to access. The library covers the subscription, so you don't have to pay to access these articles. If you do a search in Google or even in Google Scholar, you may hit a paywall that wants you to purchase the article. You will not hit that paywall in using a database like CINAHL. Now we are going to go over how to get to the CINAHL database. So first, navigate to the library homepage. Then click on Databases on the left-hand side of the page. On this page, you will see that there are several different databases listed by subject. For our purposes, we are going to click on the Health subject, which will take us to a list of databases, and in this list we will click on CINAHL Complete. On the search screen, you type in the search words or phrases in the boxes to conduct a search. Since this search returned over 500 results, we can use the filters on the side of the page to limit down the search. You can limit your search by academic or scholarly journals. You may also want to limit your search by year. Normally the last 5 years is what is considered recent in a field. You can also scroll down and look at the subjects headings, which will let you know what the article is about versus a phrase showing up somewhere in the article. Now that we've limited down the search, we can start looking at the results. If I thought the first result looked interesting to my research, I would click on the title, which would take me to a page called the item record, which includes information about the author, source, publication type, language, major and minor subjects, and the abstract. It is very important to read the abstract because this will give you a summary of what you'll find in the article. It is important to read the abstract as a time saver for you, so you can quickly weed out articles that don't work for your research. From this page, you can also find a link to the full text. The other side of the page also has helpful features. You can use these buttons to email the article to yourself, save a permalink of the article. Reminder that you always want to use the permalink of an article instead of the URL at the top of the page. You can also create a citation for the article in the style of your choosing. There's also a link at the top that says Add to Folder. You can create folders in CINAHL and add searches and articles to your folder as a way to organize your research. If you sign into the database, you can create an account. If you don't already have an account, click the Create a New Account button and be sure that you use your SVSU email when you are signing up so that they know that you are coming through our library. To access your folders, at the top of the page, click on the Folder button. On this page, you can also create custom folders for specific classes. You can also move articles from your main folder to your custom folders. In addition to saving specific articles, you may also want to save a search. Saving a search comes in handy when you don't have time to look through all of your search results in one sitting, or when you have a long research project and want to see when new items are added to the database. When you go back to your search, click on Search History. From here, you can select which articles you would like to search. And click on Save Searches/Alerts. Here you can name your search whatever you would want, whatever you want it to be. And you can either save the search permanently, save it temporarily for only 24 hours, or create an alert. An alert will notify you whenever a new result is added to this search. That is helpful for when you are doing research over a long period of time on the same subject. Remember that there are a multitude of features in the CINAHL database and other databases through the library, so be sure to ask your professors or your librarians any questions that you have about doing research.